Hi, in this video, we will be discussing a few tips and tricks so that you can crack the exam. First, go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Be in touch with current affairs. This will help you in the general awareness section. This exam includes questions related to business awareness such as CEOs of different companies, their overseas, year of establishment, taglines, etc. For this, read business news on regular basis. Make sure the political and historical scenario of India is on your fingertips. One should study regularly and revise the concepts on regular basis. Make notes for revision while studying different topics. Positive attitude and confidence is very important when preparing for every exam. Keep yourself motivated. Know your strengths and weaknesses and work on them constantly. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, type of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description below. So if you value the content of a video, please like, share and comment on our channel.